I've been a star in myths, religions and movies. Egypt, India, Thailand, been honoured with statues everywhere. I'm an elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. Ears bigger than fans. A trunk longer than a bubble tea straw, size XXL. I don't run or climb, but when I walk, the whole forest makes way. Not because I'm scary, but because I weigh 6 tons. Who'd be silly enough to stand in my path? I'm one of the most intelligent animals on Earth. My brain weighs up to 5 kilograms, 3 times the human brain, and full of wrinkles. But not because I overthink love life. I use tools, branches to swat flies, rocks to wedge doors. I recognize myself in mirrors, a rare skill shared only with dolphins, chimpanzees, and humans who don't overuse filters. I learn from others, share knowledge about water sources, and remember important places for years. When a family member dies, we return to the spot annually and stand quietly, mourning. Tell me, which species is more profound? I belong to 2 families. African elephants, ears shaped like the continent itself, and both males and females have tusks. Asian elephants, smaller ears, mostly only the males have tusks, but we're still majestic. We love living where there's water, shady trees and mud, because mud bathing is my absolute passion. It cools the skin, keeps mosquitoes away. Nature's own spa. African elephants tend to live in savannas, open forests, and even deserts. Asian elephants prefer tropical rainforests. We may live in different places, but we all agree on one thing: climbing hills, no thanks. I'm a herbivore. I munch on 150 to 200 kilograms of grass, leaves and fruits daily, and gulp down up to 200 litres of water. It's not because I'm greedy, but my oversized 4-chambered stomach needs serious fuel. I spend 16 hours a day eating. Call me a professional grazer. My trunk isn't just decorative, it's a super tool. Drinking shahoshari, grabbing objects, spraying dust to shoo flies, greeting with an elephant kiss. Yes, I'm romantic. And my trunk has over 40,000 muscles. Not to brag, but I can lift a tree log or gently pick up a coin. It's sensitive enough to sniff out water from kilometers away. I think I use my trunk to express emotions, waving when happy, rumbling when warning, touching when comforting. I think of it as a talking nose. Wild, right? Elephants are all about family. Our herds are led by a wise, older female, the matriarch. We trust her with everything. Choosing paths, shelters, migration timings. We raise our young together. Everyone helps watch the calves, protecting them like presidential bodyguards. When a mother gives birth, the whole herd surrounds her in defense. Mature males eventually leave, roaming solo or forming bachelor groups. Sounds lonely, but it's kind of fun. They still visit home, see mom, act like total gentlemen. I symbolize wisdom, strength, and resilience. The Hindu god Ganesha, elephant head, human body, represents intelligence and good fortune. In some Asian countries, I've even been crowned national elephant, protected like a treasure. Of course, I hope no one uses elephants in circuses anymore. I like freedom, not balancing hats on 2 legs. What to live like me? Walk slow but steady. Remember those who were kind. Stay calm. but ready to charge if someone harms the forest. Know how to love, live for your herd, and don't forget to mud bath in time. I am the elephant, gentle, smart, deep feeling, and incredibly mindful. I don't need to run fast because I walk far. I don't need to stand out. I'm big enough that people step aside. Live like an elephant, quiet but solid. No boasting, but always aware of who you are. You don't need speed, just strength, kindness, and enough heart to never feel alone.